Welcome to Edmonds Community College. My name is Bryce, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect to the Edmonds Community College wireless network on an Android device. Please note that this tutorial is for students currently registered for classes and EDCC employees. Let's begin. First, proceed to your device's settings and check that your Wi-Fi is turned on. You will now see the full list of available networks. Select EDCC. A new pop-up will appear. In these next steps, we will set the configuration in order for us to connect to the EDCC network. Please follow these steps carefully and feel free to pause the video at any time to make sure the settings are correct. First, set the EAP method to PEAP. Next, set the Phase 2 authentication to MSC HAP V2. For the CA certificate, set it to Do Not Validate. The next step is to log in using your EDCC credentials. You will be entering your username in the box labeled Identity and your password in the box labeled Password. Please note that you will not be entering anything in the box labeled Anonymous Identity. That will remain blank. For students, your username is your SID number and your password is the same as your Canvas password. For employees, your username is your first name, period, last name, and your password is your EDCC computer login password. Here's an example. We recommend that you check Auto Reconnect or Remember this network so that you will be reconnected every time you're on campus. After entering your credentials, select Connect, and in a few moments, you will be connected. We can confirm that you're successfully connected by opening a new web browser window and visiting edcc.edu. Once the page loads up, we can confirm that you're successfully connected to the EDCC network. Still experiencing issues? Call the help desk at 425-640-1234 and we'll be happy to assist you. You can also visit the help desk and start office for drop-in support. Thanks for watching.